welcome to a video tour of a Bugeye that we have for sale called Ashley. And it's called Ashley because it's one of the rare cars that we've seen that has an Ashley nose. That Ashley nose was a period accessory, a fiberglass, lighter weight nose accessory that was sold kind of in the era. And it's a very unusual looking thing. It's really cool to see because they're rare, and this one happens to be in excellent condition. Has that distinct smaller grille, and there were a few different anyway, alternative noses available for Bugeyes, and this Ashley nose was a popular one. We have the documentation that talks about why it was a hot setup at the time. I think the weight saving was a big feature, but as part of it, this was also made into a flip nose, and there's an original Ashley insignia, a very rare piece that comes on the car. He's got those cut in, on the left lower section of your screen, those are cut in spring-loaded hinges, which is really a nice way to do it. And then you have the park light and turn signals in the front. He's got LED headlights, tri-bar headlights, and this is an unusual car in addition because it was here for like $25,000 worth of work. It needed a lot of things refreshed, and so the car was here for a few months in 2021, and then it went back to Kansas. When it was here, we took out the dashboard, we rewired the car, we put in disc brakes in the front, and pretty much anything else that it needed. I believe that's a new steering wheel. Those are the GPS and electronic gauges and an armrest. The seats are in excellent shape. There's an ammeter that we installed, and he's got some Hoyer chronographs under the center of the dash, and that's the GPS antenna on the dashboard. Really, we didn't spare any expense making this a very special car. There's a larger dashboard mirror. He's got a little custom armrest, but that sits on top of the upgraded door pockets, which are nice, and new door liners. There's that armrest there on the left side. The door liners are good. He's got a bunch of little Austin Healey memorabilia. There's a hanging gas pedal that we added, which is much safer. You can see the cockpit trim bar was recovered in black, and the dashboard is beautiful. It's a new ignition switch, new knobs, and just about anything that needed attention was put in. A new panel kit, new black carpet kit. He's got a nice leather cover on the handbrake handle, and you know, it's a very well detailed car. I see one of the bulbs is hanging down. That's the light from the oil pressure temperature gauge. That just needs to be plugged back in, where the little fingers on the bayonet need to be bent so it'll stay in place. Minor thing. That's a new short tonneau that's been installed, and that's nice to have. New wind wings were installed, and here's the flip forward nose, and that nose is so nice to operate. It's lighter and easier on your back in every way. It's just a delight to give you engine access. You can see the aluminum radiator that we installed, and also the correct, really a nice setup for the flip nose hinges. Those are K&N air filters. The master cylinder is a little bit older. Now it's 5 years old, and so it's showing some scale. But in 2021, I signed the car for Patrick, the customer. There's a cutoff switch with the two green terminals. So the ground side of the battery has a cutoff. And that's a 5 or 6 year old battery at this point, but still a strong battery. We would have put in a new heater valve when the car was here. We rebuilt the carburetors, and it's a strong setup in every way. There's the air horn there on the firewall. He's got an alternator kit installed. The heater is in place. And that's a new wiring harness there as well. We have electronic ignition and a good new distributor. So there's a lot to like in this car. There's a front anti-roll bar. The tires were new in 2021. I believe they're Vredesteins. And overall, the car is in really tight shape. So yes, 165 Vredesteins, you can see them on the sidewall there. This is a 948 engine in really strong shape with a new rebuilt rib case, so you have a transmission that's virtually brand new with about 2,000 miles on it. You can see the solid state flasher for the LED lights. And just basically everywhere you look, there's new stuff that abounds because Patrick was generous in taking good care of this car, hired us to make it wonderful. So that's the car that we have. This is Ashley for sale. It's our Bugeye of the Week this week here at Bugeye Guys. Thanks for watching.